Architecture, at its core, is an expression of human creativity. It's a testament to our ability to mold the spaces we inhabit. While traditional structures hold a certain charm, it's the unconventional, the daring, that truly captivates the imagination. These architectural marvels break free from the mundane, pushing the boundaries of design and engineering. They challenge our preconceived notions of what a building should be. From gravity-defying structures to buildings that mimic nature's wonders, the world is replete with examples of architectural audacity. These structures are not mere buildings, they are statements, conversation starters, and inspirations. They invite us to look beyond the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary. They challenge us to think differently about space, form, and the very essence of design. These architectural wonders are not confined to a specific era or style, they transcend time and trends, standing as testaments to the boundless possibilities of human ingenuity. In this exploration of unconventional architecture, we embark on a journey to uncover the stories behind these remarkable structures. Join us as we delve into the minds of the architects who dared to dream differently, who dared to challenge conventions, and who gifted the world with these iconic masterpieces. Wonderworks, with locations across the United States, is more than just a museum. It's an experience that turns the world as we know it upside down, literally. The exterior, designed to look as if a mansion has been plucked from its foundations and dropped onto its roof, immediately piques curiosity. Stepping inside Wonderworks is like stepping into an alternate reality. Visitors walk on ceilings, navigate a tilted room, and experience the world from a whole new perspective. The disorienting yet exhilarating design challenges our perceptions of space and gravity. It's a playful reminder that sometimes, the most unexpected experiences can be the most memorable. Beyond the initial shock factor, Wonderworks houses a plethora of interactive exhibits that engage visitors of all ages. From natural disasters to optical illusions, the museum seamlessly blends education and entertainment. It's a place where families can learn, laugh, and create lasting memories together. Wonderworks, in its own whimsical way, embodies the power of unconventional architecture to surprise, delight, and inspire. In the heart of New York City, amidst the towering skyscrapers and bustling streets, stands a building that defies the city's grid-like conformity, the Guggenheim Museum. Designed by the visionary architect Frank Lloyd Wright, the museum is a masterpiece of modern architecture, a swirling ribbon of white concrete that seems to defy gravity. The building's unique spiral ramp is not just a design element, it's an integral part of the museum experience. Visitors ascend the ramp gradually, their journey mirroring the evolution of art history. The gently sloping floor and the absence of traditional walls create a seamless flow, allowing the art to take center stage. The Guggenheim's unconventional design sparked controversy upon its completion in 1959. Critics questioned its functionality, arguing that the sloping walls and circular galleries were not conducive to showcasing art. However, the museum's enduring popularity and its status as an architectural icon are a testament to Wright's visionary genius. The Guggenheim Museum stands as a powerful reminder that art and architecture can coexist in perfect harmony, each enhancing the other's impact. In the bustling metropolis of New Delhi, India, rises a structure of remarkable beauty and serenity, the Lotus Temple. This architectural marvel, designed by Iranian-Canadian architect Fariborz Sabah, draws inspiration from the lotus flower, a symbol of purity and enlightenment in many cultures. Its gleaming white petals, crafted from pristine white concrete, seem to unfold towards the sky, inviting visitors into a realm of peace and contemplation. The Lotus Temple's design is not merely aesthetic, it's deeply symbolic. The 9 pools surrounding the building represent the leaves of the lotus, symbolizing the unity of different faiths and the interconnectedness of all living beings. The temple's open-door policy welcomes people of all religions and backgrounds, making it a sanctuary for spiritual reflection and interfaith dialogue. The Lotus Temple's impact extends far beyond its spiritual significance. Its unique design has garnered international acclaim, inspiring architects and captivating visitors from around the globe. The temple stands as a beacon of hope and unity, reminding us of the power of architecture to transcend cultural boundaries and foster a sense of shared humanity. Its serene beauty and profound symbolism continue to inspire awe and wonder in all who visit. In the historic city of Graz, Austria, nestled among traditional Baroque architecture, stands a building that seems to have landed from another planet, the Kunsthaus Graz, affectionately nicknamed the Friendly Alien. This biomorphic structure, with its bulbous form and iridescent blue skin, is a testament to the power of architecture to challenge conventions and spark the imagination. Designed by architects Peter Cook and Colin Fournier, the Kunsthaus Graz was conceived as a spaceship for art, a futuristic vessel designed to transport visitors to new realms of artistic expression. Its unconventional design, with its 1,000 acrylic panels that illuminate at night, has made it a landmark in the city, a beacon of modern art and design. The Kunsthaus Graz's impact extends beyond its striking aesthetics. Its interior, a labyrinthine network of galleries and exhibition spaces, challenges traditional notions of museum design. The building's fluid, organic form encourages visitors to explore art in a non-linear fashion, creating a sense of discovery and surprise. The Kunsthaus Graz stands as a testament to the power of architecture to challenge, provoke, and inspire, reminding us that art and design can be both beautiful and thought-provoking. Singapore, a city-state renowned for its modern skyline and technological advancements, is also home to a botanical wonderland that seamlessly blends nature and technology. Gardens by the Bay. This futuristic park is a testament to human ingenuity, featuring towering super trees, a cloud forest, and a flower dome that transports visitors to different climatic zones. The super trees, the most iconic feature of Gardens by the Bay, are vertical gardens that stand tall against the cityscape. These tree-like structures are not just aesthetically pleasing, they also serve ecological functions, collecting rainwater, generating solar power, and acting as vertical gardens. At night, the super trees come alive with a dazzling display of lights and sounds, creating a magical atmosphere. Gardens by the Bay is more than just a park. It's a celebration of biodiversity, a showcase of sustainable technologies, and a testament to the harmonious coexistence of nature and urban development. It's a place where visitors can marvel at the beauty of the natural world, learn about the importance of environmental conservation, and experience the wonders of futuristic design. Gardens by the Bay stands as an inspiration, reminding us that even in the midst of bustling cities, we can create spaces that reconnect us with nature and ignite our imaginations. London's skyline, a captivating blend of historical landmarks and modern marvels, is crowned by a towering glass spire that pierces the sky, the Shard. Designed by renowned architect Renzo Piano, this skyscraper is a testament to human ambition and engineering prowess, redefining the city's skyline and becoming an instant icon. The Shard's design is both elegant and functional, its tapering pyramidal form, inspired by church steeples and the masts of sailing ships, minimizes wind load, while its glass facade reflects the changing sky, creating a dynamic interplay of light and shadow. Housing offices, residences, a hotel, and restaurants. The Shard embodies the concept of a vertical city, where people can live, work, and play within a single structure. Its impact extends beyond architectural significance. Its observation deck offers breathtaking panoramic views of London, becoming a popular tourist destination, while its presence has revitalized the surrounding Southwark area. The Shard stands as a testament to the power of architecture to transform urban landscapes, inspire awe, and create new possibilities for living and working in the 21st century. In the heart of Montreal, Canada, nestled on the banks of the St. Lawrence River, lies a housing complex that challenges conventional notions of urban living, Habitat 67. Designed by architect Moshe Safdie, this architectural experiment was conceived as a solution to the growing problem of urban sprawl, offering a vision for high-density housing that retained a human scale and connection to nature. Featuring 354 prefabricated concrete modules arranged in various configurations, Habitat 67 creates a visually striking and spatially dynamic complex. Each apartment has its own private terrace, offering residents a connection to the outdoors and stunning views of the city. The complex's interconnected walkways, courtyards, and green spaces foster a sense of community, while its innovative design principles continue to inspire architects today. Habitat 67's legacy extends beyond its architectural significance. It represents a bold experiment in urban planning, challenging the status quo and offering a vision for a more sustainable and livable future. While the complex has faced challenges over the years, it remains a testament to the power of innovative design to address social and environmental issues, inspiring architects and urban planners to think differently about the relationship between buildings, people, and the environment. Singapore's skyline is a captivating fusion of modern architecture and natural elements, and among its most distinctive landmarks is the Esplanade Theatres on the bay. This performing arts center, with its spiky, Durian-inspired shell, has become a symbol of the city-state's commitment to both artistic expression and innovative design. Conceived by DP Architects and Michael Wilford and Partners, the Esplanade's unique design was inspired by the spiky exterior of the durian, a fruit native to Southeast Asia. The building's 7,000 triangular aluminum sunshades, reminiscent of the durian's thorny husk, serve both aesthetic and functional purposes, regulating heat and sunlight within the building. At night, the sunshades illuminate, transforming the Esplanade into a dazzling beacon of light. Its impact extends beyond its striking design. Its world-class performance venues hosting a diverse range of artistic performances have made it a cultural hub, attracting renowned artists and audiences from around the globe. The Esplanade stands as a testament to the power of architecture to inspire, engage, and connect, proving that buildings can be both functional and aesthetically stunning while reflecting the unique character of their surroundings. From the gravity-defying Wonderworks to the biomorphic Kunsthaus Graz, from the futuristic gardens by the bay to the Durian-inspired Esplanade theaters, these unconventional architectural marvels stand as testaments to the boundless possibilities of human imagination. They challenge our preconceived notions of what a building can be, pushing the boundaries of design, engineering, and artistic expression. These structures are more than just buildings. They are statements, conversation starters, and inspirations. They invite us to look beyond the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary. They challenge us to think differently about space, form, and the very essence of design. They remind us that architecture can be both functional and beautiful, serving as a canvas for artistic expression, a catalyst for social change, and a reflection of our ever-evolving relationship with the built environment. The architects behind these unconventional buildings are visionaries, pioneers who dared to dream differently, to challenge conventions, and to push the limits of what was considered possible. Their creations inspire future generations of architects, designers, and dreamers, reminding us that the only limit to what we can create is the scope of our imagination. As we continue to shape the world around us, let us draw inspiration from these architectural marvels, embracing the unconventional, celebrating innovation, and striving to create buildings that are not only functional but also beautiful, thought-provoking, and truly